Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm back with another spring week in my life. The sun is out. The sun has been out now for a few weeks. The weather is getting warmer and you guys know I had to film another vlog. Today we're going to be going to Hardlines Coffee in town and I'm actually filming a very exciting video and I'm showcasing a lot of the best coffee spots in Cardiff. So I'm going to go film some of that today. I'm thinking of going to a park, doing some journaling, some reading, maybe some editing at a coffee shop. I feel like I really need to lock in and it's been a while since I've gone somewhere to do some work. Let's grab my stuff, let's head out. But my outfit of today is literally so cute. I'm wearing these really cute sunglasses. The shirt and top is from Primark and then I'm wearing my Zara jeans as well. I am so excited for today. I feel very summery, I feel very cute. And my makeup. Also, you guys, I ordered some stuff from Rhode, which I'm going to show you guys now because I got some really cute stuff from their new launch. I got given this really cute card with the Hailey Bieber on it and some Rhode stickers, which are literally so cute. They're currently like free with your order. So, and then because I've literally been obsessed with Sprinkle, which is my Rhode pocket blush. I've got another Rhode pocket blush, but I reach for Sprinkle more. This is the one I got around Christmas time. I use it every single day. This is what Sprinkle looks like. It's a really nice pink color. I love it so much. And they recently came out with a new one. It's very similar, just a bit more pigmented. And this is Teacup. Teacup is so saturated, so pink, and has like a pop of red in there. As soon as I saw it, I've literally just been in love with it. I love the shade and I love a good pink blush. And then I also got their new Rhode Peptide Lip Treatment, which is a crowd pleaser. Everyone is raving about this stuff. I'm actually wearing it today. It is a clear scented lip gloss treatment in caramelized banana. Sounded incredible. I couldn't have ran faster to check out with this. But yeah, so that is everything that I bought from Rhode. I did do a haul on like every single platform, but I want to show you guys in the vlog. I'm ready to go. I'm gonna pop on some perfume. I'm gonna use the Way Hair and Body Mist. This is such like a summery scent. I always bring it out during summer. And I've also got a new book from Colleen Hoover called Women Down in my journal, so I'm gonna bring these. Got everything that I need. Let's head out. Look how cute the outfit is. Oh my god, I'm literally in love. Okay guys, so right now I'm in Sophia Gardens in the center of town and I've just got my matcha. I just filmed my rating. I cannot believe where I'm sitting right now. I'm literally sitting underneath a cherry blossom tree and it is so pretty and pink and there's tulips everywhere and it's just very aesthetically pleasing. This makes me very happy. I did bring my journal, but I forgot my pen at home. Silly me. I have my book. I actually got this new book, Women Down by Colleen Hoover. I thought we could start reading this. It's been a while since I read anything, so I thought a good story will get me out of my reading rut that I seem to have dug myself into. I'm going to sit here for a little bit and then I'm going to go and meet my mum. We're going to go to Primark. She's going to get her nails done. So that's the update. That is what I'm going to do right now. I cannot get over how pretty it is here. shower, Dyson my hair and put it into heatless curls for the best blowout tomorrow, because I'm actually on a date tomorrow with my boyfriend for our anniversary, so I want to look like a 10 out of 10. However, I am absolutely starving. I've done over 17,000 steps today and I've burnt like over 1.5k calories, so I am starving. Tonight for dinner I'm going to be making some bolognese. I've got all the veg for it, I've got the minced meat. I am so excited to cook, but as for right now I'm going to put some YouTube on, put away all the dishes because I washed everything up earlier, and prep kitchen because I'm going to do some cooking. And I've also just filled up my Stanley because I have nowhere near had as much water as I'm supposed to have today. Yesterday I went clothes shopping. After I was at the park, after I was doing some editing at Black Sheep, I headed to the shops with my mum and I picked up some really nice stuff from Marks & Spencer's, Primark, TK Maxx, and I also had my Gymshark sales order come today, so I thought I could end this video with like clothing slash activewear haul. When this was delivered this morning, I was ecstatic, like I was so excited. Also, just so you guys know, I literally have a £10 off coupon for Gymshark, so even though they have sale items at the moment, let's say like your order was like £40, the sale brings it down to 25, you guys can still use the £10 on top, which means you get loads of stuff for like £15. So there's no minimum spend or anything. There's £10 off with my code. I'll leave it on the screen. I'll also have the link down below, so I wanted to mention that prior to me showing you guys these items. First things first, I got the Trace graphic oversized t-shirt. This already has quite an oversized fit to it, but I got it in an XXL because I wanted this to be huge on me on top of my gym stuff. I've been really wanting a big gym cover up, so this is what this t-shirt looks like, and then on the back it has Gymshark and the Gymshark logo at the front. It's a really good length as well. It's nice and long, so I can still wear this with shorts and you'll be able to tell. But yeah, I've been really wanting something like this, just comfy, big and oversized and not very restrictive. The first set I got was in this purple color. This is their everyday seamless midi tube top, and this is in the color purple, but it's more of like a burgundy. As you guys can see, it's got like cinching in on the chest area. It's also a really nice length. It's actually a really good top because the shorts are also high-waisted. These are the everyday seamless shorts 2.0 in body fit, and these are the purple ones. Thought they would be longer, my red ones are, but I think together I need to try it on. But I'm very excited to be wearing this set, one of the Pilates wrap tops to wear on top, and also a black set as well. We have the seamless top at the front, very cute. On the back we have the Gymshark logo. There is no built-in bra with this, but it is double lined on the chest. There is support, but I prefer my sports bras to be padded. And then I also got their everyday shorts as well, which I'm very excited for as well. That is everything that I got from Gymshark. Polo Assassin Ralph Lauren mini dress in navy. Look how stunning this is. On the left it has this embroidered Ralph Lauren logo and sign, and then it's collared, and it's also a really nice length. I did size up on this, so it's a little bit looser on me just because I don't really like tight fitted mini dresses. This is really nice. I just feel like with some nice white shoes, my hair and makeup done, this is going to be something I'm going to be living in through spring and summer this year. Now moving on to Primark, we've got quite a bit to go through, which I'm very excited for. Polka dot halter neck top. I just think it's so cute. I love the frill at the bottom of it, and it also zips up at the back, and I just think it's so cute. It's so elegant. I really love it, and even with like jeans or trousers, this is gonna look adorable. A white tube top like this. I also got this in black. Blue long sleeve that you guys saw me wearing throughout this video. This is also what the black tube top looks like. And then I found these polka dot denim jorts, which I actually love them. They're so nice, and they've also got pockets on the back. I just love them. I think they're very spring coded. The black tube top specifically. This is what I wore the other day. I was in love with it. It's so cute. That is everything that I bought from Primark, TK Maxx and Gymshark. I really hope you guys have enjoyed watching today's spring vlog. It's been so much fun to film, and just to kind of bring you guys with me through a productive day in my life and just kind of a day out and about. It's been a while since I've had that solo time. I feel like it was needed. It was very energizing, and I had a great day yesterday, and cooking and everything. It's just been a lot of fun. I really hope you guys have all enjoyed watching today's video. Make sure to use my code at checkout with Gymshark so you guys can get £10 off, and make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you all in my next video.
I'm so sorry for dreaming about the future.